morning, everybody, and welcome back to the first stream of 2026, guys. Weird to say it, we are back. Oh my god, I forgot to update the number below. I'm gonna do it I have to do it today. I'm gonna change all the numbers below to make them for 2026, and we do a general one. Wow. Let's do it. Daily chart. First things to see. What is the daily chart telling us? The daily chart for the moment is telling us that we had a beautiful pre-market day. So beautiful green start of this market of 2026. All the downside of Friday has been recouped, and we took even the previous day's highs already. Already take previous day's highs, pre-market low. This was and previous day's highs. We're gonna remove these levels here. We're gonna look what the markets wants to do and which levels wants to go during this session. We're gonna open the hour chart. I have to share the live stream in Discord. I forgot about that. Nabil, alaikum salam, brother. How are you? Welcome. Good luck for this new year, brother. We already took previous day's highs. Looking for some downside here, to be honest. Is this the downside to come and take us to back to the lows? It can be. It can be. I wish you the best for this year. I wish you you're gonna have an amazing year, Nabil. Inshallah, you're gonna have a beautiful year, no matter what, even if it's not trading anything about your life. Inshallah, it's gonna be good. Yeah. Hello, Iron. Good morning. Looking. I'm gonna go on the 3-minute chart to see what is doing on the 3-minute chart. This is looking very sexy to the downside, but we will see. We will play what we see, and I'm be happy to play stronger this right now. The market reopen. New Year is back. Maybe we're gonna have some nice price action from today. Fayyaz, good morning. Early today, brother. Yeah, just a few minutes. If I was trading pre-market, probably right now from here, I think I will be start shorting. This is beautiful because it took previous day's highs, but as well it liquidated the first people that were shorting from this situation here. You see, this is previous day's highs, so people start to short. They got stopped out, and then the real short came out. This is a really beautiful short here. And this is even better because it closed quite very far away from the price action of pre-market day. If I have to, we grab the equals high, I think we're gonna short. I'm looking for the possibility to continue short. Even if I take one contract right now from here, I'm risking $150, and we can aim. Oh, it's very far. To think that we're gonna recoup all that, it's still possible, but definitely, wow, 500. One micro contract is $500. Yeah, this is even if you short right now, you're risking $150, $130 to probably aim for 400 or 400. Yeah, $400 somewhere here, or even here $500. That's crazy. Hello, non cares. First, hello in 2026. Let's cash the market and squeeze the profit. Let's get it, guys. 26. We're here. Let's get it. I have to do the reset of my count lower. What I'm gonna do is, because now it's gonna be 3 different years from profits. What I'm gonna do here below is I'm gonna have all my expense until now, all my profits until now, and 2026 profits and expense. do you know it's possible to get Revolut card, not physical one, because I have one free where I can make 4 payments only because each time card number varies. Yeah. Yeah, you can have a virtual card in Revolut without limits of usage. It's like literally as a physical card, but for virtual, but with no change and no limitation. I have that one. I use it all the time, and this allows me to have control of someone trying to charge me more. If I get after like a gym, I cancel the gym, but it's still charging me, and I will be like, yeah, block this card. I don't care. I will make a new virtual card. Yeah, is it free? I think it's free. Virtual card, I think your Revolut are free. If I pay for the Ultra, but if I go right now to my Revolut and I go for cards, add new, virtual, never lose your card again with our free and secure virtual card. It's free, yeah. And you can have it because you have physical, virtual, and disposable. So the one you were using is disposable. The fact that it has a limitation, but you can have virtual as many times as you want, and it's free. No, credit one. I don't have credit. I don't have credit. You have because it's true. You are from a different country, so Revolut changes country by country. But for me, I have physical, virtual, and disposable. That means there is no private information here. Before I show you, yeah. So I have these 3 options, and it's physical, virtual, and disposable. So I can use as many virtual as I want. I have like 1 or 2. All right. Black Packer, Happy New Year, Steve. I love your content. Can you trade ever sometimes to show me how to pass? Yeah, I don't have any more evaluation now, but they will renew soon. Don't they give emotional add well? Emotional add well? What do you mean by that? Market opening in 2 minutes, guys. Does this market wants to come back up to here, or just right now short squeeze to the low side? Honestly, I'm interested to short. I'm really interested to short. Guys, we're gonna crash this year. We're gonna crash it. I'm ready to go for it. I'm ready, guys. I'm really ready to freaking punch it and kill it. And today, as well, 2026, my body, I want to get to the physical body I really want, and don't play anymore around it. I really like what I am, but I'm looking for a bit more definition, lose some weight. I want to lock for this 26, guys. 26 is going to be the year of more subscribers, more trading, and hopefully less work, but I don't think so. 41 seconds. Twelve seconds. Market opening. Looking for it. Market open. 3, 2, 1, and we are looking to see what wants to do. Nice push there. Already we're at pre-market highs there. What is pre-market highs? That's pre-market highs, guys. Let's see if we're gonna create our short opportunity, or this thing is gonna just pump to previous day's highs there. And I mean, previous day's highs are this one. Next previous day's highs is there. Let's see. Now client is having some problem at this 700 at this previous day's highs. Does it wants to take pre-market before pushing lower? It's looking for it. It's looking for it, guys. It's looking for it. Both the Evans, and it's kind of crazy how ungrateful I was thinking back like 6 months ago. Apex on 80% of the upcoming ones. Now, if 80 cents, then it's $90 per account. I was thinking back. Crazy how ungrateful I was thinking back like 6 months ago. For Ago, Apex around 90%. Months. Now, if it's by $98 in total with activation fee. Wow, that's some sell-off, guys. We might even take already one contract there, guys. We're gonna take one contract. This spike and close lower of this 3-minute candle, I will take it. Yeah, tanking. I see that ES tanking. I'm gonna take the short. There's only one contract just to see how it evolves, but already taking these highs, rejecting previous days, closing right now. The price of the entire account with the Apex right now is cheaper than it was 6 months ago, for sure. Because 6 months ago, you would think that you have 90% off, but you have to pay $85 or $120, $140 for the activation fee. So overall, right now, it's cheaper, but it's competition-wise, everywhere is cheaper right now. Yes, it's selling off, guys. Yeah, that's what you meant. And sorry, that's what you meant. You meant the recurring. Yes. No, I get your point now. I misunderstood. You said about the evaluation recurring. It's true. That is true. That's a good point. Because right now you have to pass your evaluation on the first month to make it sense. Because if you don't pass it the first month, just better to buy the new account and try again. Yeah, 100%. It's a really good point, because if you pay 50% renewal, is $90. That is the price of 4 or 5 evaluations. That's very good point what you say there. If we start to close lower here, I will add. If we don't close lower and we start to lose back and give back this, it's only $150, $160 loss. If I start to see candle closing lower, I will start to sell more. And of course, manage my risk, but from my point, the copier is good, and they will improve it even more. Right now is local working. You have to be careful that the copier has to be in the same dashboard where you take the trades, but soon this will be improved. Soon this will be improved. It will be pushed. That's what I always said about web chart, guys. It's the beauty of web chart. Even if sometimes you might say it's hard to use and stuff like that, is they're making a lot of improvements every time. I'm gonna add one contract there and manage this contract, guys. Just I like that we're start to close lower. And yes, selling off nicely. So where I added is beautiful place to buy. Look at that. Yeah. If you have a big screen, it's perfect. I have 3 screens in my case. No, look at that. I added to the shot and it came back to me. What a piece of crap. I will call myself out here at the highs. If that happens, well, my loss will be $273 if it happens. Oh, that's a weak candle there. Looking to see what he wants to do. Are we back? Are we back, guys? Can you hear me? Lost internet. I don't know where is my trade, to be honest. I don't know where is my trade, guys. And the first time I don't have stop loss. I don't have stop loss. So I really don't know where's my trade, guys. It's connecting, not reconnecting. What the heck? Is my internet working? Can you hear me, guys? Test. Well, we should be back. Are you back, guys? Can you hear me? I'm not able to reconnect to Rithmic. Okay, I can see your messages, guys. Now I can finally see your message. And this happened. I swear to you, it's crazy. Now we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Also, I can see your chart, your messages, guys. We're back. Freaking hell. Crazy. I had to relaunch Quant Tower and everything. What the heck? I'm gonna flatten my position there. And I'm gonna check everything is flattened. Yes. I have to open my Trader Pro. Where is my Trader Pro? I'm out of my position there. At that week there, I'm fine. I'm out. Look into craziness. First time flattened accounts in the Apex dashboard. Yeah, I should have done it with Trader Pro, but I checked on my phone, was still fine. Now I'm out. I'm out of the position, taking the loss, and I'm gonna wait to see another setup. I don't like that we just hold these lows, taking previous lows and just holding the market. I'm gonna be out until I see a another proper setup. Crazy, huh? We had some interesting situation there. Back. We're back. Thank you, Nabil. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, No One Cares. Appreciate it, guys. It was definitely an interesting moment there of craziness. Wow, beautiful loss. Beautiful stop loss there. Beautiful stop loss. Let's see what we can find again. I like the idea of continuous short, but the fact that it came back twice, once, twice, and still holding the level, I call myself out. Good morning, Trafix. Morning, guys. I think how many people we were? We were 25 people during. Oh, we had a nice amount of people before then the live stream crashed for the internet. But right now we're back with a loss, but it's okay. High market right now pushing a little bit more there. Trying to go for higher squeeze. We're gonna wait to see if it wants to consolidate, show us something, maybe show us weakness again to take another short right now that we've taken the market highs. Maybe yes, maybe even that. Do we have news today, guys? We have news, American market. Let's see. Today is 2nd of January at 9:45. So the news came at 9:45. Okay. Oh, that was the news. Oh, that was the news that pushed the market. Okay. At 9:45 here, I call myself out, and then somehow it pushed. So no more news. Let's start with 2026 with the first loss and disconnection of internet. Make it like perfect start of 26. What the heck, guys? Is something happening today? That is crazy, guys. This is the second time it does that bunch. Like if we go to 1 second chart, we're gonna see this is like a second action, sir. This is a 1 second candle that pushed 27 points. And here the same, 2 seconds candle. But here, someone freaking bought all these contracts. That's crazy. Yuba, caray, that's a good point. Many people definitely close their position for tax reasons. And then they open again. Many people do that. This can be a quick short to retest these pre-market highs. That was interesting. Quick short. Previous days highs here, coming from a quick acceleration. Mohammed, good morning. Yeah, no, yes. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I know you're Mohammed. Did I call you a different name? But I know you're Mohammed. Yes. This is like really, you enter short here, and then you're like, oh, let me put my stop loss just here, and it moves 1 second, and you're already triple loss. Yeah, trying to focus, my friend. Let's see how this candle wants to close, because if we start to want to close aggressively, even below pre-market, I'm happy to take shorts, guys, again. But this time with real size. I mean, this one was a real size as well. I just closed this in advance. What's up, Zog? What's up? Guys, we're showing. I'm gonna take one short there. And 40 seconds, in some seconds, I will add. I like it, guys. I'm gonna go full sides. Stop loss. Take profit the loss here. It's a fan. Do you hear the noise of the fan, or just because you see the shirt moving? You both non-cares? It's a good point. It's a beautiful buying as well opportunity. Buying of the previous days, previous pre-market highs. It's a beautiful opportunity to buy as well. Just the shirt, yes, it's just the fan. I'm just looking at this previous day's highs taken out. We're closing nicely red. If I see some push to the downside, I will handle it aggressively, this trade. Let me see again the daily chart. How is it? A very, very big candle there. Definitely shorting a big green candle like this is not easy. Might have to call myself out and then redefine quick my idea. I'm gonna, let's see. Guys, I'm gonna call myself out quick in this trade. So I don't like it that much. I'm gonna call myself, close the position in break even and wait for a little bit. We really need to start closing below pre-market highs to think about shorting these things. Let's pump it. Now that I close it, let's pump it. Yeah, you can really pump it now. The daily candle is too strong for me to short right now. Really, very aggressive, strong. Once liquidated, let's go. I mean, I close my position. I close my position in break even. I'm gonna wait for this. How is gold right now doing? What is it? Gold slowly selling. I mean, this can be a short opportunity in gold here, but that's how much is that risk reward there? Shorting here. Aiming for the lows. How much is that? Is 1.5? No, 1. Exactly one ratio there. On this support level, it's a bit nah. Let's see what wants to do MNQ. Take short. You took a short at Zog where? Where you took the short? MNQ, gold. Which one? I'm shorting gold. I like it. I like the idea. I really like the idea of shorting gold. Good luck. MNQ is standing off right now. Let's see. Did NQ took that little loss there? No, it did the same week. Yeah, bravo. Bravo, that's the way, no one cares. That's the way. That's the way. You took a trade because you look at it, you found your setup, and whatever happens, happens. That's the way, brother. That's the way. Bitcoin, no, I never traded actively Bitcoin. No, never traded actively Bitcoin, to be honest. What is Bitcoin right now? Which Bitcoin right now is at 89,500. It has some green push this week finally. How are my cryptos? My BGB is one of the crypto I have, not financial advisor. Oh, that's still nothing, 3.49. I have Aster. Oh, 75 cents. Went plus 7% today. But this cryptocurrency, I really don't care, to be honest. They can go down and don't do shit. Guys, if we start to see push here above these candles, I will buy. I will start to buy. How much we're risking there? $120. buying there. 2 contracts. I'm long with you, non cares. I'm long with you. Happy New Year, Bogdan. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, my friend. I'm gonna buy 2 more. If it allows me to buy 2 more, I was happy to buy 2 more there. But maybe it doesn't want to do it. Go home or go home. Go long or go home. Yes, it's pushing as well. Also, the short in gold is good. Did is back. What's up? Welcome back for 26 as well. Looking to add this short, guys. Longs, more longs. Okay, I'm now full contract size long. Candle closing in 24 seconds. Welcome to everybody that is new, guys. Remember to subscribe, leave a like to this video. How many likes do you left to this video, guys? I'm gonna look into this. 11 likes, 27 people watching, or 24. I really don't understand how many people are watching right now. But yeah, if you can leave a like, thank you so much. Appreciate, guys. That's nice. That's nice. We're gonna go long, guys. We're longer. How much is 5 contracts? I really like this trade. So if it wants to add me 1 more contract, I will buy it. Now that we even closed the green. Okay, now I'm 5 contracts in it. Putting some risk. Let's try. Let's try for it. 5 micro contracts long. If you're thinking to use Apex, guys, 90% is there. You can use my code. It's Hamza. It's my name. It supports the channels. And I'm always here, transparent, never hiding anything. Also for 26, it's going to be that. So this is going to be a loss. You're going to see a loss. Not hiding any shit. And we go for the next trade, for the next days, as always, trying to be profitable. Last year, we closed the little green on the year. So my expense were $3,200 or $3,300, and I made $4,000 in payout. And this is gonna be a start, beautiful start of the year with this losing trade. That's unlikely, and I really love this push. After we had first push here, second push here, I really like this push. To be honest, I was very confident on this one. A+ setup for me, but it's not. So we're gonna take the loss. Gold, Zog, gold short, very beautiful. It's really just crashing down right now. Let's go. Loss in this trade. We closed it. Flattening everything. How much I am far away from blowing this account? $500 still. Let's see how it wants to evolve. Let's see if we're gonna, if I take one contract short, now that's too much of a loss. If I take it, I will probably take it. How much I'm lost right now? $520. $80 for my max loss. That gold, man, that gold was beautiful, man. That gold was a beautiful short in the end, came out to be perfect. Really like that idea, guys, of trying for a little bit more push here. Right now, to be honest, this is looking more for a short. I'm gonna go for one contract, risking and letting it go. It's gonna be a bit over my max loss by a little, but Bogdan's still looking for longs. I changed my mind of short after we see double top in ES. That's why. And below these pre-market highs, previous days highs, maybe you're right, guys. Maybe this is gonna turn finally back green. So Ceylon, yeah, go stick with your strategy, guys. 26, stick with what your strategy tells you. I like this idea of longs when we retested, pushed pre-market highs levels, and looking again to continue higher. But really, it did not happen at all on the second push here. So I'm like, okay, this means we're faking out a lot of people longs there, and we might look for shorts. Also, another reason for me taking the short idea is ES. ES did this. Take previous pre-market highs, did it, then came back, take again the day highs, and stopped again other people. So I was like, okay, if ES is shorting right now, so we might look for shorting. Jimmy, welcome back, Jimmy. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna leave this trade to go. Maybe we're gonna be lucky to recover some loss. If not, it's gonna be $620, $630, a little bit over my max loss. Still fine. Max loss, it does not have to be precise $600. It can be 570 sometimes, it can be 630, 620, around that. There is no perfection on trading. So, so funny fix is that it means that my short intention from the start was good, but this doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I might. Yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes down and evaluate for the moment it can still bounce, reject this level. So still this loss is fine. This stop loss is fine. This will be bad if it comes back at this area. But if it comes back here, it's still rejection, possible rejection level. Hopefully, Apex is gonna do $6 activation fee soon again. That was amazing, guys. $6 activation fee, that was perfect. For me, because I had some evaluation there, I'll pray for TP. Thank you on steroid. We need the duck race, man. If TP hits, I'm still down $400 on the day. I'm still down $400 on the day, even if TP hits. But the short idea from the first trade here was beautiful as well. But this, honestly, this will probably take me out anyway. No, don't say sorry. I'm just laughing with you, man. I'm gonna keep it going, keep it run, because ES is still far from a possible support. I think a good chance we're gonna see this coming back to the lows. ES is still far away from a support area there. And yes, now we can call it. That's beautiful. I like it to call it there. The wicks here below. We covered some loss, guys. We were down $520, and now we are a little less than 400. This was the initial trade, and was beautiful. This was the initial trade. Oh, freaking hell! This was the initial trade, but the idea of short changed the moment we have. I had this support. That was not what I wanted to see. Is this to support? But when it started to close lower again, faking out these people, that was a beautiful shot. Don't tell me what to do, guys. There is one rule in my channel, and I love you guys. I love you, all of you. Just something I wanna ask you guys is for this 26. Don't tell me what to do. I tell you why it's important, guys. Because every time you write something, trading is hard. It play a psychological factor on me. If you tell me do this, do that, do this, do that, you're putting something in my head. It's you have to understand that trading by itself, it's hard. Stream over it, it's harder. Read your comment about your opinion on my trade, it's even harder, because you tell me, for example, right now, Zog, you said, trail your stop loss, and I would be like, oh, I should have traded my stop loss and stuff like that, Are you right? And you put this my mental factor. Tomorrow I trade my stop loss, I fucked up. No, I don't have to follow your advices, guys. I have to follow my strategy. Whatever I do is what I do. Remember that, guys, for this year. I love you, all of you. Just respect this. Yeah, Connor, welcome back, Connor. Thank you so much for coming as well. I love you guys. Now, to be honest, I don't think the market would have turned it anywhere here. The moment I think we've taken previous day's highs and I'm aiming this to be a liquidity grab, I'm like, okay, this is very hard. This is gonna come back. That is my idea. The idea of short here was beautiful. I called myself out and I went aggressively long, losing $320 from this trade long, because I really like the idea of retest and pushing higher after a beautiful push, aiming for a second push, but it didn't come. There is no right answer in trading, right? That's what I really believe, is that non-cares was looking for longs, and to be honest, I had as well a right idea of like taking longs, and I took them, right? I had the idea of shorting here right away. I was like, the market does not need to come back. In the end, it needed to come back. Take previous days to come back lower. That's insanity here. I recovered some of my loss. Yes, I could have made $100 more. Peace and love, guys. Yeah, trailing stop loss, for my point, it's personally, I've tried it, it doesn't work. So that's the one I tell you guys. I've been trading for 5 years. I know every advice you gave me. I tried already all of them. That's the funny things. I've been trading for 5 years, guys. Every advice you provided, I already tried that. Trail your stop loss, put your stop loss further away, take some profits on the way, do this, do that. I tried all of them, man. Thank you, Jimmy, for the great trade. I'm happy taking profit here. I have to evaluate where I can see the market from here. When I took profit, it's a great take profit. These things can bounce here, can reverse. I cannot know where the market is gonna do afterwards. It's gone lower, peace and love, but I take my profit. Red is laughing because he's a beginner trader. He knows this. Yeah, because we think that is the trap of trading. Many times is that we like to change, move your stop loss here, move that, because we think that's one of these is going to be the solution of you becoming profitable, when it's not. It's not. It's not by you changing these big things every time. No, it's about refining little things of your strategy step by step with your own emotional control and behavioral until you get to your point. And anything else around is just noise. So if you tell me, guys, do this, becomes noise on my head. But I love you, you know. It's not. I've been doing this for every day more than a year right now. Yes, that's Mohammed is a great point. That's yeah, I agree, because that is like generic rules and factors. It's not something about how you should take a trade. So this I like to hear this opinion, because it. And I like your idea of trade. You take long. I like your idea of taking long. Luca took a short as well here. He told me he got stopped out as well. Yes, Yosu, that's it. That's it. That's what I think. That's what I think as well. I think it's like letting it play. Yeah, this is the bastard thing. For example, let's think about this trade I took here. I took a short here, right? I took a short here. Stop loss here, profit here. Okay. This was how much risk reward was that one? 176, 174. So 1.74 was a risk reward. If I would have done that, would have been like a nice profit. Here I cut my loss in advance. That was good job. And here I call myself out, because after I saw we can use this as a support and push. But honestly, this was not an A++ setup. This was an A+ setup. For me, this was an A+ setup. Because why? We took these highs, ES thickness was previous day's highs, very hard. We're gonna recover. We faked out this flag. How many people went long in this flag, guys? And they got faked out. We go to a 1 minute chart. How many people went long here? The level did not hold. All these people went long, like me. I have to admit it, like me. I went long, and boom, got stopped out. Yeah, yeah, I agree with that, because the funny thing is that many times we take a trade, guys, and we have a stop loss or a take profit here. In between, we have to be ready to see anything. We have to be ready to see anything. And many times we watch too much the market, and we play inside, and our emotion play inside this. It's gone up, it's gone down, it's going up, I should cut my loss, it's gone down, I'm gonna take my profit, bouncing it. That's why last time when I took one of my best trades ever, everyone was like, take your profit, let it play, let it play. Yeah, Bogdan, I agree with that. Yeah, most important at the end of the day is what your backtesting and strategy says. If you're good at moving your stop loss, if you're good at if you're moving break even, and everything around it is the way you should do it, do it. Do it. Dead people. Dead people is the way. That's crazy, right? I'm doing something. I'm doing something this year, guys. I'm gonna update you in the next weeks. I'm gonna open back an interactive broker account. I'm gonna put money in it, live money. Of course, not much at the beginning, and do some swing trade, medium swing trade, like weeks, month, 2 months trade where I take a long, I don't know, let's say Tesla has beautiful areas bouncing, big liquidity grab on the daily chart and weekly chart. I take a long, aiming for a nice move. I will start to create content about it. But I can. you can trail. I agree. You can trail, but you can trail only based on your strategy. I'm not gonna trail my stop loss, even if you tell me, guys. I will never trail my stop loss. I will cut my loss in advance if I don't like it anymore. For example, here, I evaluate it like here. Okay, we're bouncing, a lot of support here, and it's aiming to grab more liquidity. I'm like, okay, I cut it out. But just because I evaluate on the moment, it's very rare. Very rare. I would do something like this. For example, today, let's evaluate today. Today, if I had my idea of not touching stop loss and take profit, let's think about that. If today I had my idea of not touching stop loss and take profit, I would have lost $300. Sorry. I would have lost $300 here. I would have gained $450 here by not touching the trades. I would have been green on the day. Just think about that. No trailing, no bullshit. By not touching shit, I would have been positive today. By the first idea I had here, when I look at the chart, I was like, I like this short here. But this is a singular day, right? And it's the point of trading. Many times we look at the singular day and we base our self-correction on a singular day when this means nothing, right? But this is what I've been doing in the last month. Right now in January 2026, I want to be more aggressive, adding to positions and taking profit in some levels and some other things. But I'll definitely try to have some good trades. Look at this shit, guys. Whoa, yo, guys, that was crazy. One more, my micro contract is $350 more there. Wow, it will have took me back to green. It was a beautiful short idea there in the end. Crazy. The gold short as well, guys, was beautiful. The gold short. The daily chart. Look at the daily chart, how it moved. Look at the daily chart. How it took me here mentally to be like, the daily candle is very strong. It's a good chance we're gonna push a little bit more. And look at the daily candle, how from a huge body candle became a wick. I have to remind myself that the daily candle is not over until it's freaking closed. We have so many hours on New York session that anything can happen. That's one thing as well Nick told me last time. Don't base too much yourself on the daily chart. It has a good point. Because this one, if I did not base myself on a daily chart, this short, I would have still kept the short. And probably take a short and add it to the short. So tomorrow is going to be a nice improvement as well. Tomorrow, Monday. Your institution. Monday is going to be interesting, guys. I'm enjoying more this trading, how I'm trading. And even if today I'm red, it's fine. I like where I'm moving to my trading. Guys, crazy. Pre-market lows is at 449. Opening is here. We have a little gap, a really little gap here. 449 is the low. and 426 previous days low. Little gap here. Eugene, a long time, my friend. You come back on the first day of the year of trading and you see me red. That's not the way to start. Today is a nice lesson, to be honest. Crazy. Look at that. This is the hour candle, guys. Oh my God, we already took a previous day's lows in ES. Wow. Let's see if we see something else. How are you, LG? It's been a long time. It's been a really long time. LG is one that he was trading with me a year and a half ago. Let's go, man. I'm happy. I'm happy you found an edge. Oh, that's the beauty of it. That's what I was thinking before. Every one of us will find an edge that is not perfectly similar to another one. That's why I don't like to give you advices, guys. That's why I never... have you ever seen, guys, a video of me telling you to do something? Have you ever heard of me telling you to do something? Because I know each one of us has a strategy that works. I cannot tell you do this on your strategy when I don't know your strategy. So it's a breakout strategy, your strategy. Is it like a scalping way or is it a bit more long term? Like you're taking like a minute charts breakouts or hourly chart? Beautiful, man. Very happy for you. If we take these lows and we close strong, I will take a long, guys. I have a drawdown to risk there. I have $200 drawdown to risk. Yeah, backtest is one way and forward testing is another things. I mean, if we all making money with, if backtesting was enough, we all be millionaire. But unfortunately, it's not enough. One, because backtesting is hindsight, and two, there is no emotional problem, and three, the reality of market with slippage and price action and everything. Forward testing is definitely a mandatory step. You're actually using it. Yeah. And how long have you been using it right now, LG? So happy for you, man. Yeah, I'm waiting for that, Jimmy, as well. I'm waiting for that. I'm looking for these beautiful longs. This is what is doing the market in the last period. Up and down, 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 up and down. Taking previous day slow, pushing. Taking previous day slow, pushing. Taking previous day slow, pushing. Here as well, it took previous day slow here, then it push. God, man, gold was beautiful. Gold was beautiful. I was looking for that gold there, here. Sometimes it's yeah, gold, just gold. Maybe gold is back to be tradable again. Look at this gold, by the way. As not this one. Yeah, that's the point. First attempt did not work. Second attempt worked. Then came back, took again previous days, previous highs. Boom. This was beautiful here because it pulled back, pushed again, pulled back, took previous lows, previous highs, and then dropped. Yes, it's pushing right now. Look at yes. Yes, taking previous day low here and nicely pushing. Are we reversing without NQ doing the same? It's possible. That's the beauty, I guess. That is the point right now. That can be 6 months. You've been using it for 6 months, AOG. Very good job. I mean, I'm so happy that you're still trading, man. So you were and you're a good trader. Like many of us here, many of us are good traders. We're just emotional children. I'm looking for longs again. Looking for longs again. No, sorry. Longs. Yeah, I wish we took these lows to look for longs. ES definitely bounce much more than NQ. NQ is really making hard to bounce, but ES bounced already quite a lot. Previous days and pre-market lows taken out. I still look for these lows to be taken. Does it want to show us a short opportunity? Yeah, but Nabil, you took a beautiful short. You really made 20 macros. Why did you take 20 macros? Did you like add, or you just enter 20 macros? I was like, it's better enter 2 minis. But macros give you the opportunity to scale out and scale in. Man, you did amazing. You did amazing to keep shorting that. It was crazy. 100K or 50K? 50K. 50K both. Yeah, 50K accounts are the best. $50K account. I'm thinking about. I've done it. I'm thinking about, guys. If you have to think about it, I'm gonna make a totally new tutorial for WealthChart. Is coming soon, guys. About tutorial of WealthCharts, because there are so many things new from the latest video I uploaded. If you think about tutorials, which tutorials are you looking for about trading and Apex Trader founding in general? What do you think, guys? Ah, what do you mean? What do you mean? What are you asking to me? I don't know. What is my question then about my accounts? Tradovate? Tradovate? Tradovate, you mean? Risk strategy, that's the point. Strategy, I don't wanna, strategy wise, I cannot teach strategy when I'm not profitable that much as I want. That's something right now I avoid because of, from a point of respect of people, and as well have my integrity intact. I don't want to teach strategy when I am the guy that is not even profitable that much. But one day it will happen. One day I will start to make so much money, and I will make videos about my strategy over and over again, and make so much views. But right now, that's my way is strategy. I try to avoid it because I can make videos about strategy all the time. I've done a video about strategy last year, the 50 minutes breakout, because there I was making payouts with it, so people can use it and make payouts. Tradovate plus trading view. You call it Tradovate over the time? I'm like, what the fuck is Tradovate? Tradovate plus trade. That's a good point. Tradovate, how to use Tradovate and use a trading view and connect it and trade and take actions. Yeah, that's good. That can be a good video. Yeah. Yeah, I will do that. Ninja Trader as well. I made a video. Imagine that, guys. I made a video about Apex Trader Funding dashboard, how to cancel and manage subscription, because people that really were not able to find the best way to cancel subscription with Apex. And I was like, okay, I'll make a video, I will make and own it. And now I made 450 views just because of it. Yeah, the long idea was beautiful. Jimmy was looking for it, and ES unfortunately took it before MNQ did it, and sometimes that happens, that if ES does it, MNQ does not need to grab any loss anymore. Needs checkbox style, subscription canceling and account buying. Then I can tell you, because as well is officially out on the last email of 2025 New Year, that Apex new website is coming. A new Apex, totally new Apex website is coming. You can even buy subscription in bulk. If you're thinking to buy 5 accounts, you don't need to go by one, and you just buy 5, all of them. Did you take longs? No, I didn't take, Jimmy. ES took the lows, and this was a really good place to buy. For example, here in ES, took a long from here, were already a good risk reward. But NQ did not do it, so that was a good idea to take longs already. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that, DJ Respect. I don't totally agree with that, and I think it's gonna be improved. I thought it's a literally a new website, more professional, and I hope as well easier. To be honest, I cannot tell you if it is, because I have not seen the website, so I cannot really even say it. But I believe it's going to be definitely more user-friendly. Right now, it become a little bit more easier. So if you want to cancel a subscription, you have them in all of them in one section, active subscription. So you can cancel anyone that you think you don't need anymore. But definitely it will be easier, I think, in the future. Especially, I think a good thing as well is separate evaluation to funded accounts. That would be as well a good way. Cancel, separate active subscription of funded accounts, so you are not risking to cancel a funded account subscription, I think. But yeah, that was a quick improvement done, but much more is totally different website is coming. Apex is investing, guys, a lot, and it's coming. It's coming soon. I don't know if you notice it, but Apex in the last months has been like, if you notice something about Apex, guys, is it does not do and interact with bullshit things that happen in Twitter and in socials. If you haven't seen it, Top Step, Tradify, My Funded Features, all these free CEO and other CEO of prop firms, they're always there attacking each other, blah, 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 speaking bad about each other's, saying this, this, and this, and this, and this. Apex never does that. And Apex is just grinding for much more. Something you have seen it as well is an update is we have, if you break a rule right now with the Apex Random Funding, you get an email the next day that you have broken the rule, and it resets your trading day. And you have to it resets your trading day. What allow you to save here is that imagine you're trading and you broke the rule today, but you don't even realize it, and you trade for 20, 30 days, and then you request a payout, and you're like, Apex tells you broke a rule on the 2nd of January, and you're like, what the heck? I didn't know, and I requested a payout, and I lost time. Now Apex send you an email the next day telling you, look, you broke this rule, and it resets your trading day right away. Yeah, today more live because I'm in holiday. Yeah, man, Yasu. To be honest, I appreciate, Yasu, what you said. Really, guys, if I wanted to be a bigger YouTuber, and if I was aiming to be that kind of YouTuber, I could have just hided the shit. Be like this. Look, takes no time. Don't hide this. Don't show you the trades I take, and I tell you, hey guys, it's not an easy day to trade. I didn't take anything. See you tomorrow. Then tomorrow I take an easy trade. I make money, and I do this. Guys, I made money. I don't show you the P&L because with the P&L you can see that I lost and I gained from the previous days. That many people do, and if you notice it around, many people don't show you the balance. Sorry. Yes. And Apex is getting more and more and more and more. Faster payout will come. Many more things will come. It's just a matter of time. There are so many people working inside this company. It's a lot. It's a lot, guys. Who thinks about a possible short to get these lows? Jimmy, what do you think about this short? Just your curiosity. I'm looking. I just love the idea that we came above this previous one. Yes, so that's the way. You broke the rule. You wait the 10 days they tell you to wait. 10 calendar days is not even that much. 10 calendar days is like 1 week and a half. I love that. I love that, Jimmy. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts, to be honest. If this thing closes and gives me a pullback here, I will take it. I'm waiting for this candle to be closed. Usually I don't trade at this time, but I'm gonna give myself the two trades. Ah, freaking hell, I don't wanna take it. Okay, it's already selling off. Wow. That was already. That was quick. Let's see if I can get filled there. Okay. If I don't get filled, I'm fine. I will be happy to take the longs at the lows. That sucks. The moment we broke this level here, that was a beautiful long, a beautiful short. I'm happy to take longs. Oh, we're coming fast, guys. Taking longs at these lows and aiming for these 600s again, that's a beautiful trade. PDL, PDH, PMA, PMA. I love it. I love it, Jimmy. I love it, Jimmy. Keep going what you're doing. That's the way, guys. That's the way. That's the way. Looking for longs. Grabbing these lows. We're ready. We're taking previous market low there. Oh, that's coming fast. Oh, that was a beautiful quick trade there. Oh, that was a beautiful quick trade. It's okay. Let's see if we can aim for some longs. We've taken pre-market low. Let's see if it wants to take even previous day's low. And if it does it, and it gives me an entry, I will go long. "24 seconds." Because right now is the point of like, is this enough for this to go for highs? But right now is not really turning. The candle is the price action still on the low side. I'm looking if it wants to come to grab this. Yes, I will look for something like this if it wants to do it. Something like that. The problem is, does it wants to do it? And that is the beauty of trading, right? It's like, does it wants to do it? If yes, I take the trade. If it does not, I just don't take the trade. If right now this shit reverse without us, no panic. We leave it go. We'll leave it go. This short was beautiful. Didn't take it. I wanted to enter here for a better price, but this did not even pull back. It just went straight. So right now it's like, is this enough for it to bounce? Maybe yes. We're gonna leave it there and see what he wants to do. This is good that some buyers are coming. Some buyers are stepping in from this bounce. So that means that if these buyers are stepping in for this bounce here, and this mix drops and closes, even more push to the upside later. Let's see how it wants to evolve. No rush. No rush, no rush. I'm checking if my one piece cards are gaining value. Did my cards, one piece cards, gain value? First, yeah, one, yes, one already did it. Wow, well. Okay, we're coming lower. I like it, guys. I like it. Yes, I'm for some people will hate to hear that, but yes, I bought some cards for long term. Not really scalper, I would say long term. Let's see, does it wants to come back or this is just selling off? We'll give it a time. I'm gonna sneeze. Alhamdulillah. Are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it, guys? I don't think so. Looks like it's just selling off. It looks like it's just selling off, guys. The dump looks heavy, guys. Yes, long today. We are done with longs. Was a beautiful short here, beautiful short here. I'm gonna call it, guys. This is closing lower. I'm gonna give it maybe 3-4 minutes and then I call it. On our candle is ugly red. Ugly red. Something today give me a reminder is don't look too much at the daily candle when the day is super far away to close. Because when I look at this daily candle here, and I'm like, super green. It's super green now, but the market is still far away from closing. So these things everything can happen. So next reminder for Monday. For the rest, guys, I'm gonna call it. Have a beautiful day. Love you all. Do you see the wind there behind? Do you see the wind there? Because it's heavy raining right now. We are in Brazil. It's heavy freaking raining. Love you guys. Love you all. See you next time. Apex 90% is still there. See you on Monday, guys. Bye, brothers.